Ultra, written by Alexa Sanchez. A girl named Violet lives in Jacksonville, Florida, was a blind girl who wants to have a normal life. Her father, Dr. Steve, is a scientist who wants to help her daughter to live a normal life. He created an experiment to help blind people, especially her daughter. He used her daughter to test the experiment. Violet was so happy when she started to see the beautiful sight of the nature. She decided to go outside. The result went well at first, but when Violet accidentally exposed her eyes to too much sunlight because of her excitement, she felt that her eyes were burning. Dr. Steve immediately ran to cover Violet's eyes. Dr. Steve didn't know what to do. He told Violet to stay calm. Dr. Steve injected Violet with sleeping pills to check Violet's eyes. When Violet awakened, and when she opened her eyes, she burned her father's skin and other things. And that was the time Violet gained her powers. When Violet and her father discovered that she gained powers, Violet was full of excitement and wanted to test her powers. Dr. Steve built a room where she can practice her abilities. Violet learned to control her powers like ability to burn or melt anything, and her ability to fly. While Violet is practicing, her father made a suit for her, and he started to think of a superhero name to cover her identity. Dr. Steve did a research where he found a fit name for Violet, and that's Ultra. It's similar to Violet's power like UV or ultraviolet that can burn your skin. Violet was so happy with her suit and her superhero name Ultra. Violet and her father ate at their favorite restaurant to celebrate their successful experiment. While they were eating, there was news about the monsters who attacked the city of Florida. Violet came to rescue. She defeated all the monsters, was trying to be featured in the news. All the people began to know her, including Black Bolt and her enemy Amora, the metal girl. Amora is watching Ultra in the news, and she wants to encounter Ultra and seize the city of Florida. The time has come. Amora brainwashed the people of Florida. Ultra faces Amora, and she has to defeat Amora before she turns the city into a metal city. Ultra is having a hard time to defeat Amora. Black Bolt came to help Ultra to defeat them. Ultra was injured, but the people and her father treated her. Ultra stands in her own shoes. Amora is starting to become weak and started to lose her powers. She ended up being defeated by Ultra and Black Bolt. They became friends, and they saved the city of Florida. Ultra became the protector of the city of Florida. All the people began to trust her. The city became safe and peaceful. She and her father lived a normal life. She is thankful of her choice and to be Ultra. Ultra didn't stop to serve and to protect her people and her city. She continued to defeat bad people and creatures. She will remain with a good heart and a godly person. She is thankful and that she was chosen to be protector of her city. The end.